You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 90/7. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 15/-7. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 90/7.